What's good, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm here in California. I've been living out here for the past 2 months, and about 1 week a month I go back to my Scottsdale, Arizona office, check on my wholesaling real estate business, make sure that it's running without me, and guys, it's been running without me. And so in today's video, I'm gonna show you exactly how I've been able to build out and systemize my wholesaling business where I can literally run my company from the beach. So that's what I've been up to, man. I've just been chilling out here by the beach, getting a break from my business, focusing on my work, and growing and scaling my companies without being at the office, you know. My team's running things over there, and I'm over here just thinking about how can I take us to the next level. So normally I start off my days by going down to the beach. I live like 3 minutes from the beach, and I go for a run and then do some work on the laptop and then get the day started. So in today's video, guys, I'm gonna show you exactly how I've set up my wholesaling business, every single department with systems, processes, and SOPs in order to run without me. That's what we're gonna be talking about today. So let's head to the beach. Guys, we're at the beach. This is the path that I run every day all the way down to Dana Point and back that I've been running for like the past month. And yeah, it's just super chill way to start your day. Much different than living in Arizona and just getting up and going to the office. Yo guys, I wanted to jump into this video real quick and let you know that I'm gonna be holding a free 1-hour live training where I show you how to make $20,000 or more in the next 60 days or less to get your first deal wholesaling real estate. Now, if you're already doing deals in this free live training, I'm also gonna show you how to scale your business to a full-blown company just like I've built. There's gonna be a link down below in the description to sign up for this 1-hour live training with me where I personally coach you in this business. Sign up right now, there's limited spots, and I'll see you there. Let's break it down though. How have I built out my business to run without me? Well, first off, you gotta have each department. So acquisitions department, transactions department, and dispositions department. You first need to identify that each part of your business needs to be separated into 3 different departments. That's key. Now, second to that, you need to build out training and SOPs, standard operating procedures for each one of those departments. So that way there's a fall safe. Whenever you're not there, they know that there's curriculum to tell them how to get through each process, right there for them to go look at. Everything is structured, right? We need to be organized, we need to be structured. And then beyond that, we need the right software and systems. And so for that, I use the Wholesale CRM. It's available at wholesaleCRM.com. It's the heart of my whole business. Everything I've built for my business is housed in this CRM. Every department, acquisitions, transactions, dispositions. It is all in the Wholesale CRM. There's a spot for your seller leads, there's a spot for your dispositions, there's a spot for your transactions. That way everything stays organized, systemized, and there's processes within everything. So you need to be having your business in the right software and in the right CRM. You need to make sure you identify that there's 3 different departments in your business. That's key. Okay, so now that you've identified that there's 3 different departments in your business, right? And you've separated them, you know what your acquisitions department is. That's your sales part of the business, where you are talking to the motivated seller leads that are coming in from your marketing and you're converting them into contracts. Your dispositions department is where you are working on selling the deals to cash buyers, and your transactions department is the department that takes the contract from contract to close. Yo guys, I wanted to jump into this video real quick and let you know that I'm gonna be holding a free 1-hour live training where I show you how to make $20,000 or more in the next 60 days or less to get your first deal wholesaling real estate. Now, if you're already doing deals in this free live training, I'm also gonna show you how to scale your business to a full-blown company just like I've built. There's gonna be a link down below in the description to sign up for this 1-hour live training with me where I personally coach you in this business. Sign up right now, there's limited spots, and I'll see you there. Now that you know what these 3 departments are, we need to put the right people in place, right? I wouldn't be able to run my business from the beach if I didn't have the right people back at home in Scottsdale, Arizona, running the right things. So I got my sales manager, Spencer. I got a bunch of sales guys under him, Colin, Alex, Cole, Ian, Louie. And then I have my disposition manager, Sean. and Sean also manages all the transaction coordination. So Sean's working on selling all the deals, he's doing all the transaction coordination, and then my sales manager, Spencer, is making sure that every sales guy is on point, getting the amount of contracts they should get per month. Now, that leads me into the next thing that you need to be focused on, which is KPIs, key performance indicators. This is how you're gonna know from a bird's eye view that your business is running, right? I don't need my eyes on the business in person to know that it's working well if I know what metrics, what key performance indicators we need to be hitting. So for each salesperson, I want them getting 4 contracts a month, so 1 contract per week. And for my disposition manager, I want him selling at least 2 deals a week. So if I just look at these metrics, I can look from a bird's eye view and make sure that my business is running properly. Now that being said, guys, I want to show you exactly how to get started in wholesaling real estate, how to get your first deal from start to finish, and then from there on scale up, so that way you can build a business that makes you over $1 million a year and be able to go and run it from the beach. Guys, I'm basically semi-retired at 23 years old. I mean, it's life-changing if you're able to make it happen and get your break in wholesaling real estate. So I want to show you how. I'm going to be holding a 1-hour, 100% free live training. There's a link in the description down below. For 1 hour, I'm going to show you how to get your first deal where you can make $20,000 or more in the next 60 days or less. Just click the link down below, sign up for this 1-hour live training, and I'm gonna show you everything I know about the business from start to finish. And if you've already done deals in this live training, I'm gonna show you how you can scale up to making $100,000 per month. So guys, if you're serious about wholesaling real estate and you're ready to change your life and you're ready to actually make it work and actually make it happen in this business, then I need to see you at this training. There's a link down below, sign up. So guys, that's pretty much how I've done it. I've created SOPs, systems, processes. I've identified the 3 different departments in my business. I put the right people in place for these different departments, and then I keep track of my key performance indicators, my metrics that I need to be monitoring in order to know that things are running smoothly. If those metrics drop, then I know I need to step in and help out to make a change to see what's going wrong in the business. So monitor those things, put those right things in place, and then you can be semi-retired at 23 years old, running your wholesaling business from the beach. It's pretty simple. Guys, I'm gonna be posting a ton more videos while I'm out here in California. I'm gonna be here all the way till October, so there's gonna be a lot of videos coming out while I'm here. And with that being said, also, I want to remind you that I'm also building my dream house in Scottsdale, Arizona right now. I bought a house in Scottsdale, Arizona for $600,000. I'm putting about $250,000, $300,000 into it in remodel. When I'm done with it, it's going to be worth about $1.3 million. I'm also running a series on my YouTube channel showing you me building my dream house. So make sure you check out that series as well if you haven't seen it, and subscribe to the channel. Hit the red button and subscribe. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.